Hello and welcome back. So we have created the project environment and the structure. So let us start writing the programs. First we will need to install the package. We have installed the packages from, we will need to use them one by one. We need this package, we need Streamlit for the GUI and PostgreSQL for PostgreSQL, which is the database system. So this is the database and this is the web-based application. So first step, we will have to connect to the database. So for that, from services, we have the connect DB, and in that I am going to create a function. I will call it connections, and with that connections file we will be able to connect to our database. So this connections function I will be calling, which is present in connect DB. So I am first going to my connect DB file. Here I will create the connection for the database. So to create, we will need from import copg2. This is the package for connections. Here I will create my function connections. It will not take any input. Further, I need the try except block. In case there is any error, we should be able to trace that error. Okay, and we can print the error message here, and we will return empty. However, if there is no exception, then we should be able to connect to the database. So there is a function connect, and this function takes as input the database name. The database name we will be taking not directly but from the secrets folder. So here there will be DB, so DB, and in this we will be writing the database details. So DB name will be suppliers. Okay, this I am writing inside the secrets.toml. There is the user, which is Postgres. Then there is the password, which will be also Postgres. Then the host will be localhost, and the default port will be 5432. So these are the details of the database. So we have to write import Streamlit as st, and all these things will come from the database secrets.toml file. So now for DB name, we will need to recover the DB name which is stored in the file, which is secrets. So for that, st.secrets, and here we will recover the file. We will, in database we have DB name. So this is database, and in that we have DB name. This was the DB name. Further, we need user, password, host, and port. So user, password, host and port, and all of this is going to come from secrets file. So this will be user, this will be password, this will be host, and this will be port. So secrets is the file. In secrets there is database, and in database there is port, host, password, user, and DB name. That is how this we have written. Next we have to print. If this is successful, then we can print a success message, st.success, that we have connected to the database, and the database name is suppliers. So I will write connected to suppliers, and I will return this connection object, and I will save this. So in main if connection object, I mean we are able to get successful connection, so we will display a message. Otherwise, if there is failure, then we will display the failure message. So if there is failure, I will just write database connection failed. Otherwise, we can go ahead, and once the database is displayed, we can first thing that we have to do is create the different tables, and we can write here st dot subheader, and here we will write create tables. So these are for creating the different tables, and add dummy data. So I will create a button. In this we will write add tables and dummy data in the tables. So first, when I click on this button, a table should be created, and then dummy data should be inserted in the tables. So first there will be a function create tables, and in this function we will pass the connection, and then there will be insert dummy data, and we will be inserting dummy data in the tables. If both operations are successful, then we will write a success message that tables are added, tables are created, and data added successfully. Okay, so now it is up to us to create these two functions. One is create table and one is insert dummy data. This first function will be coming from the folder services. In services there is create tables file, and in create tables file there is create tables function, and then there is another function we will be writing. This will be insert data. Inside the insert data file, name of the function will be insert dummy data. So now I will first create the create tables function inside create tables file. Okay, that we will do in the next video. Keep watching.